Good morning. First of all, happy new month. It's been a while since my last update on Qevion, and I believe it's important to bring you up to date on where we are. It's not been easy balancing work, school, development, projects, and the building of a startup product like this. However, it's also part of the process. So, if you are seeing for the first time, we have to ask you to do just two things: like, follow, and share this video so that others can become part of this great movement. Yes, I say it's a movement because we are about making something very revolutionary in the industry. Yes, and also today's update is not just an update. I want to beg that you should please, if you're a QS, you're a civil engineer, you're an architect, you're a foreman on site, whatever be your position on site or your responsibility, I will ask for your input. Reason being that this is an MVP prototype, and in a short while, I'll walk you through what we've done so far, and your ideas are needed. What do you think we can add to the app? What feature do you think is important? What component do you think can make this app so better? What do you think the industry needs? What's just your ideas? Bring it on board, drop it, and attached to this video in the comment section there is a WhatsApp link. Please join the community so that we can interact, we can discuss from time to time the upgrade, the development, and how we can make this app a one in town.
So this is the real state of Qevion. It is still the first MVP, which means it's nowhere near the final product. But every great product or every great platform starts from somewhere, and this is a starting point. Let me walk through what we built so far. So I start with the index. Yes. So basically, it has a lot of interface. This is the first interface. The dashboard. You can see this is still the MVP prototype for us to know. Okay, this is where we are headed, and the functionality appearance to know what we are doing. So here is just the foundation of everything. From here, it is role dependent in the sense that it depends on what role. For example, you're a quantity surveyor, you can have the overview of your contract sum, your BOQ total, the completed work, that's the completed value, your cost variance. So at each point in time, you know how much you spent, and if you're in profit or you are at loss. Yes, so you can say as a QS, you can have the oversight of the dashboard, you can have oversight of your bill of quantities, not just the bill of quantities. Your bill of quantities shows the quantity of work to be done, the rate, the amount of work done, and the balance. All right. So you can get to this is your daily reports. So whenever the clerk of works updates the quantity of work that is being done, you can see as the clerk of works, the only thing you have access to do is you have access to the dashboard, you have access to your daily reports and this. So as a clerk of work, all you need to do is to enter to record the quantity of work that is being completed. You can see mass concrete 120 meter cube foundation floor completed. When it is being approved by the QS or whoever that is satisfying the work, it becomes approved and it got transmitted to, you can see, you can submit maybe let's make mass concrete completed, let's say 100 quantity 100 meter square. Where is it? Let's say block okay, we have done block A, let's say block D, right? Work completed today. Yes, you can say what you can put whatever you worked. Work completed today. All right, submitted. So this comes under submission. Then you can say it's been submitted now. So let's say as a project manager, you can say you can come for approval. You can approve or reject, right? Then as the QS, you can also approve or reject. Now, the good about this is once you approve, let's approve all of this now. You come to your BOQ, they get updated. You can see for it was the work done before was around 120. Now it was around 220. All right, and then the balance that's remaining is what 230 to be completed. So, and the more it's update, the more the amount updates as well. You get, so it's just like at each point in time, and the same if you can remember for our video, you can just go back. Our cost variance were around 53,000, 53 something, but now is about 1 point something million, given the fact that the completed value of work have increased. So this is just like a prototype. Procurement as well, whatever procurement that is being done, let's say the storekeeper. Okay, this is storekeeper, not the storekeeper yet. Okay, the storekeeper, this overview of the project. The storekeeper has access to input each material that is being received. Then automatically the value of the movable materials updates. These are the materials, this is the receipt, this is what has been issued at per day. You can see, you can record your receipts when you come down for material that is being issued on a daily basis. You record, and everything interlinked to give you the overview of what is going on the site at each point in time. So at a glance, you can know, okay, what is the position of my stock, how much I've been expended on material so far from all angle. Okay, like the accountant as well has the overview of the contract sum, the procurement that is being carried out, what has been approved, and what is still pending. So this is where, let's go back to where the reworks happen. I just show you the functionality and how everything should work. So for now, these are just placeholders, and while we are waiting for some of your ideas to be coming in so that we can build more, I will want you to drop a comment. If you're a real contractor on site, you're a QS on site, what are the features that you think we can put to this app? Do you think the user interface is okay? Do you think the workability is fine? Do you think the flow is excellent? We need your response. We need your input so that we can make this a greater product by the end of the day. So behind every button, every screen, every report, this is where the work is being done. Yes, these are some of the hundreds of lines of codes. Sometimes I'll spend hours solving one problem that nobody will ever notice. Sometimes, but that's what building a software really is. It's solving one problem at a time. You can see this running into hundreds of codes, and I'm still not near ending. All right. So you can see this is a lot. But however, it's all about building something that is sustainable, that make the industry a better place. So now I need your help. Like I said, whether a quantity surveyor, a project manager, an engineer, an architect, a contractor, or a client, I want to hear from you. What is that one feature that you believe every construction management platform should have? Drop it in the comments, follow up on our group. Your suggestion will become part of Qevion. So this is still the one in a much bigger journey. You're not just building a software, you are building a platform that you hope will change how construction projects are delivered. So thank you for following the journey. Thank you for believing the vision, and thank you for building Qevion with me. I will see you in the next building log. Qevion, one truth, every project.